Okay, this is a short review of the BLACK+DECKER 7-inch blade turbo fan. It's a great fan. Giving it 5 stars. It's not as noisy as you'd expect for the amount of wind or air that this unit pushes. But the focus of this review is actually to demonstrate to persons how to clean this fan. If you look on the other reviews or go through the questions, you'll notice that persons have expressed a challenge in cleaning this unit. Some persons clean the fan from outside the fan, but I'm going to demonstrate how to remove the front cover so that you can access the blade and the covers to clean the fan. One of the things you'll notice is that there is some triangles here. These indicate that you can turn the fan to remove the cover, but if you try to do that, you'll notice that it doesn't budge. You're not doing anything wrong, it's just that you have to remove the screw. There's a screw down there that actually prevents that from happening. So let's just turn that around. Right, so here we have that screw. So you get like a Phillips screwdriver and you unscrew. That's counterclockwise. When you're done, you will be able to turn the fan like this and take off the blade. So I just cleaned the fan, so it's not that dirty, but a lot of the dust would be gathered here, and I didn't see a way to remove the blade, so you just take your cloth and rub around the edges as well as the back cover. Alright, I hope this review has been helpful, and as you can imagine, you just do what you did in reverse and screw it back on and you're done. Alright, have a great day.
It doesn't work at all.